Okay, so that the basement is finished now, I thought I'd take you on another little tour. This is where it started in this room, which is our guest room. These watercolors you see hanging on the wall were ones that Mike's grandmother painted. This is the wall where the plumbing leak was. It was a drain pipe rather than a pressurized pipe, which meant that it was considered a sewage leak, even though there was no human waste coming down. It was just from our kitchen and bathroom sinks upstairs. But because it was a sewage leak, it meant that the insurance company paid for carpeting in the whole downstairs, not just this room. And when we put this room back together, I realized there was a whole open wall here, and of course that cannot stand. There needed to be a quilt hanging there. We built this closet when we moved in. If a room does not have a closet, then it doesn't count as a bedroom for property tax purposes. Same, this bathroom in here had no shower door, and that means it's only a half bath, not a full bath. And so we fixed those two things when we moved in. Piano got a new home over here. Over here, we replaced our pool table with this Bowflex, which we affectionately call the rack. And this whole room has become known as the Chamber of Horrors since we added other exercise equipment, and we've actually been using it. This is where we watch TV in the evenings and have our brains sucked out. In this room is my sewing room, which is all put back now, thankfully. These little quilts were mostly made by me. A few were made by other people. And I've been able to clear out a lot of the things I had stored under the ping pong table that works as my work table. Down there I had to cover up one of the quilts that's hanging. That's my challenge quilt, which I cannot reveal until February 1st, so I'm hiding it. No peeking. And then this closet used to hold all kinds of crap that hadn't seen the light of day for decades, and now it's mostly my sewing stuff, all my projects and supply boxes and other wonderful sewing stuff that used to be all stacked underneath my ping pong table where I do my sewing, and now there's quite a bit of space under there. I need more stuff probably. My regular sewing machine is gone right now. It's off getting lubricated and cleaned and adjusted. This is the wine cellar. I couldn't put the bottles of wine back until the baseboards were finished, and this is what was holding things up. These baseboards are no longer available, and so they had to be custom, sections of them had to be custom made so that everything matches. And I think that's about all you really care about. So that's it.